Happy Studio!
Proverbs 27:2. In Tokpisin version or in Papuan Guinea language or Proverbs 27:2. Larin narap laman, nitimapim nem bilong you, na inokin mouse bilong you yet. Outside man, na inokin mouse bilong you yet. Or Proverbs 27:2. And in Tagalog version, Kawikaan 27:2. Purihin ka ng ibang tao at wag ng iyong sariling bibig ng iba at wag ng iyong sariling mga labi. Kawikaan 27:2. King James Kasing Bible. Talk, thank you. Igor ang God. Salamat sa Diyos. Thanks to God. Share the love. Good job. Perfect. Day 156. Omega Did You Bible. Verse of the day. Proverbs 27:2. In King James Version. Let another man praise thee, and not thine own mouth. A stranger, and not thine own lips. Proverbs 27:2. Thanks be to God po. Share the love. Good day. Good job. Perfect. Hello, guys. And everything. Everything now. My Diyos, habaran at nakitan, awitan, my Diyos. Tapi Diyos, say the love.
How do you like that?
Do something.
And by Kapanas. By Kapanas. By Pechud. By Pechud. Salamat po ta Diyos. Again. Sa the love.
7:2. In Tokpisin version or in Papuan Guinea language or Proverbs 27:2. Larin narap laman, ditimapim nem bilong you, na inoken mouse ino. Tama. KNC Bible verse. Memorization challenge. Day 156. Omega Did You Bible verse of the day. What's up? The verse.
Move.
Stop recording.
I'm kidding, Mom.
You are